So you want to start getting to the bag with your YouTube channel in 2021, but you have less than 1,000 subscribers or less than 4,000 watch hours, and you're trying to figure out how you can make money on YouTube. Well, you're in the right place, because I'm going to tell you how I was able to generate income from my YouTube channel, even though I was not monetized and didn't qualify for the YouTube partner program. So you definitely want to watch this video in its entirety, because I'm giving away a lot of tips and tricks to help you get to the bag. Now, if this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is Antonio. I do create content where I help people with YouTube and just overall entrepreneurial advice. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you get value out of this video, thumbs it up, because it does help the YouTube algorithm. And just to let you guys know, I do offer one-on-one YouTube masterclasses. So if you want to work with me one-on-one with your YouTube channel, I definitely would love to help you out. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, first things first, if you want to start making money with your YouTube channel, you have to look at your YouTube channel differently. You have to completely change your mindset of what YouTube is. You have to look at your YouTube channel like a business, and businesses offer products and services, okay? And I strongly recommend, if you really want to make money with your YouTube channel, you need to offer a product or service out of the gate. Now, that may look different for your particular niche, and it may be a lot harder for different niches, but you definitely want to look at what services and products can you offer to your potential subscribers or viewers. And I want to give you guys some examples. So let's just say you're a cooking channel, right? You create and show people recipes and stuff like that. You may do reviews of different cookware and stuff like that, right? But a good digital product for you to create would be maybe a cookbook, right? Or recipes that you could offer as a digital download for $10 or $20, right? And you can start making money, selling that to your subscribers or to your viewers right away. Let's take my business model, right? I'm a marketing coach, YouTube coach. So when you watch my content, when I offer at the beginning my masterclass, I make money for helping people with their YouTube channel, right? There's no overhead with that. It's literally just a service-based business that I can generate 100% profit just from mentioning it and adding value to people. That's a service to where I can make money with my YouTube channel, right? And so there's a lot of ways that you can do it. I know with photography, Peter McKinnon offers digital presets for Lightroom and Photoshop. So you really have to figure out how you can create a digital asset or products or services that you can offer for people to where you can start making money right away. Okay, so it's really going to be dependent of your niche, but if you want to start making money with your YouTube channel, you have to start looking at it as a business and start offering products or services that add value to your viewers. And that way you don't really have to have a lot of views and stuff like that, as long as you're targeting the right audience, and you can start making money day one. So the second way that I strongly recommend you start making money with your YouTube channel is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of my favorite ways that I personally make money with my YouTube channel, and honestly is the best income stream for a lot of YouTubers. AdSense typically is the lowest amount of money that people make. So, affiliate marketing is a really, really good way to start making money right now. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, essentially you're just the middleman for these brands. All you have to do is send traffic, to their websites or to their landing pages. And then after that, your job is done. You don't have to worry about customer service or selling anything. All of that is on the company. All you have to do is recommend their product or service, and you get a kickback once they sign up. So it is one of my favorite ways to make money with YouTube, and I've been doing it since I started. And the reason why you want to start doing affiliate marketing literally day one is because you never know what video will blow up on your channel. So let's just take my niche, for example, YouTube advice, entrepreneur advice. I'm an affiliate with TubeBuddy. And so whenever I do videos that are about YouTube search, how to rank your videos, stuff like that, I always mention TubeBuddy. And even if, right now that video only gets 50 to 100 views, I know in 6 months, maybe even a year from now, if that video has 1,000 to 10,000 to 100,000, if it just blows up, I still have that affiliate link. And when people click on that link and sign up for TubeBuddy's paid programs, right, I get paid from it. So you're pretty much future-proofing your content to make money. And so yes, again, you will need views with affiliate marketing, but I promise your future self will thank you if you start getting used to or start putting affiliate links in your videos. So some really good partnerships that I would recommend you check out is Amazon affiliates program. If you've noticed in my descriptions, I always put in the camera gear and the books that I like to read and stuff like that. And they're all Amazon affiliates. And the cool thing about Amazon affiliates, it's free to sign up. And the link is cookied for 24 hours. So even if you click on my link and you don't buy that specific product that I'm offering, if you buy anything on Amazon within 24 hours, I get commission from it, anywhere between 1 to 10%. Typically, it's roughly around 3 to 4, but that's still free money that all I had to do was put a link in the description and I can get a kickback for it. The second affiliate program that I really recommend is through impact.com. Pretty much most affiliate programs are now through impact.com. So that's Canva, Placeit, pretty much any major brand now goes through Impact. So I would definitely recommend you signing up, figure out brands that make sense for your niche, and then sign up for their particular affiliate links and stuff like that. But I love impact.com. And there are others that I'm affiliated with. In my niche, there's a lot of software programs that offer affiliate links. So just figure out your niche, figure out what programs and softwares that you can sign up for, different affiliate programs that make sense for you. I know in the beauty space, Fashion Nova and stuff like that have affiliate programs. So definitely look into it. Just Google. But affiliate marketing is one of the, major ways that you can make money with YouTube right now without you worrying about being monetized through AdSense on YouTube. Now, the third way, and I think the coolest way to make money with your YouTube channel, is selling your own merch. So for me personally, I have my own clothing brand called Mob Clothing, which I'm wearing a shirt right now. Y'all can buy like 68 of them, if you want to support me. But I think it's a very fun way and cool way to build not only your income on YouTube, but also build brand awareness and just for people to support you in a cool and fun way. And I actually have a full video on this if you want to check it out. It's a lot easier than you think to start your own clothing brand or merch, so I would strongly recommend you check it out. But yeah, selling your own merch is dope, man. You can sell t-shirts, you can sell mugs, you can sell hats, like whatever your heart desires, you can sell to your subscribers. And again, you don't have to have thousands of subscribers or even 1,000 subscribers to start making money with YouTube. So that is it for the video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys can think of any other ways that you can start making money with your YouTube channel, definitely link it down below or share it down below, because I believe in this community we are here to help each other. Now, in full transparency, I will say to make money on YouTube, you definitely need a good amount of views and traffic on your videos to start generating income, to sell your products and services, to do affiliate marketing, to sell merch. You need eyeballs on your channel. So if you want help with growing and getting more views as a small YouTuber, I would definitely check out this video right here. But that is it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, be easy.